Joe Biden wanted to nominate a black woman as a Supreme Court justice. He nominated Ketanji Brown Jackson. So the question is, Ms. Jackson, are you a woman? This is how we know that we are really getting close to the end, when we can't even stick with just basic human definitions. Recall some time ago, about 30 years ago, when another president said something really, really ignorant and we just laughed it off.
It depends upon what the meaning of the word is. Yes.
Little did we know that him playing with words was the setting of the stage of how we're going to continue going forward and how we are going to start using that to erode the culture. What's not getting a lot of coverage is during the Supreme Court nomination hearing for Miss Jackson, and I'll say Miss, I'll say she's a woman, is what she stated in the hearing when she was questioned by Marsha Blackburn of Tennessee. Now, I was bothered by, and still am bothered by, the fact that she is pro-choice. That is just a horrendous view of anyone to believe that it's okay to murder an unborn baby. But that's the landscape that we have, to where people have now taken a known evil and said it is okay. But this is how bad it's gotten. When asked what her definition of what a woman is, listen to her response.
Do you agree with Justice Ginsburg that there are physical differences between men and women that are enduring?
Senator, respectfully, I am not familiar with that particular quote or case,
Okay.
so it's hard for me to comment as to whether
All
or
right.
not.
I'd love to get your opinion on that, and you can submit that. Do you interpret Justice Ginsburg's meaning of men and women as male and female?
Again, because I don't know the case, I don't know how I interpret it. I need to read the whole
Okay.
thing.
Can you provide a definition for the word woman?
Can I provide a definition? No,
Yeah.
I can't.
You can't?
Not in
Okay.
this context.
So you
I'm not a
believe the meaning
biologist.
of the word woman is so unclear and controversial that you can't give me a definition?
Senator, in my work as a judge, what I do is I address disputes. If there's a dispute about a definition, people make arguments, and I look at the
All right.
law and I decide. So I'm not.
The fact that you can't give me a straight answer about something as fundamental as what a woman is underscores the dangers of the kind of progressive education that we are hearing about.
And for some reason, many people haven't covered this. I did see a friend of mine, a fellow YouTuber, Bottom Line Dad, also cover this. Guys, this is something that should be alarming. The question that she should have asked Miss Brown, Miss Jackson, are you a woman? The fact that a woman asked another woman what is the definition of a woman, and the second woman could not say or would not say what a woman is striking.
I hope you don't mind me coming over and sitting down, but I've been watching you all evening, and I want to tear you apart. And your friend, too.
Now, obviously, she knows what a woman is, without question. She sees herself every day. She knows that she's a woman. You should ask her, how do you know that you're a woman? But what's happened is this whole identity politics is coming home, and it's not identity politics. Guys, this is identity sin. This is blurring the lines. She knows where it's going. This is the reason why she wouldn't answer the question. It's because she knows in the future she is going to rule. She is going to rule, I believe, that a woman can be anyone who wants to be a woman. You all just saw that USA Today nominated Rachel Levine, a man who is the Assistant Secretary of Health. He was nominated for Woman of the Year. A man being nominated for Woman of the Year. Sadly, it's not the first time. And if you were to call it out, or like the Babylon Bee did in naming him Man of the Year as their nominee, they were locked out of their Twitter account. This is how bad it's gotten. If you even object to the idiocy of this, you are the one that's labeled with having hate speech. Just to name the truth. But we do know that this was going to happen. And so, guys, fight back, push back. Stop calling men women. Stop letting women tell you that they're men. You are what God made you. Amen.